Good one.
Let's shoot right.
Let's put your dad up on the roof.
Chummy was really impressed that Dion knew her whole schedule for the week.
She's got a memory like no other.
I know. It's amazing. You guys actually look like twins, same color.
Yeah, we look like twins. The same color.
Looks good. I dig it. But
Ooh,
you...
that feels nice.
A hug instead.
Aww.
That's a good idea.
That's better not eating candy. Just a hug. And a handshake, too. You're funny.
Yeah.
A hug instead.
I like it. She wants a high five now.
And high five. And tell Chubby she doesn't have to give me anything for Labor Day.
Just a hug.
Just a H-U-G.
Just-
H-U-G. H-U-G.
What's that?
Hug.
H-U-G.
Oh! I didn't know that's what you meant. Okay.
See, they know.
I'm bad at spelling.
Yeah, that was a good
It's a good heart. Do you have your water?
Yep.
Oh, nice. Mom, call Santa and say she's got her water. She's good.
Well, she's got the bottle.